Well, as the saying goes, there are only two things certain in life: death and taxes. Well, in India, citizens are getting more clarity on one of those. The government has fixed the tax rate for the majority of the 1,200 plus items, which will fall under the new goods and services tax. Now, this is a 5-tier tax system ranging from 0% down to 28%. Now, certain goods, they are not going to be taxed at all. So we're looking at things like eggs, fruits and vegetables, milk, and other common goods like tea, coffee, medicine. They're going to be coming in at 5%. This is near the bottom end of the range. Once we start clocking up to this 12% range, you're looking at things like ghee, butter, cheese, two-wheel bicycles. But most of the items on that 1,200 plus list actually fall under this category, this 18% tax rate. So you have a lot of household items like toothpaste, refined sugar, even ice cream falling in this. Now, this 18% may actually sound like it's a very high tax rate, but it's actually lower than what is being charged right now. Most of the consumer goods in India are taxed at around 22 to 24%. As we move down to the line and we get to this higher end of the GST scale, you start looking at things like washing machines, motorcycles, and makeup products. Then there are other luxury goods and the sin products, which will have an additional levy. So soft drinks, hookah, chewing tobacco, they're all going to have an additional levy. For chewing tobacco, that levy 160%, and that is in addition to that 28% tax. The tax rate on certain items is still being decided, so perhaps most notably cigarettes and gold. India, of course, the world's largest gold consumer, but the government has in recent years been trying to wean the public off of this gold habit, so it's going to be pretty interesting to see where it sets the tax rate on gold. We took to the streets of Delhi earlier today to hear how people are reacting to the news.
One country, one tax will mean a lot more transparency. It will lead to a lot more efficiency in the production of goods and services and in the distribution of the same across the country.